Hello, I'm going to show you how to add a rich text format editor onto your website, on a Drupal site. Firstly, you need to do a couple of things first. Firstly, you need to download the WYSIWYG module for Drupal, and you also need to go into the nicEdit, that's the editor that I'm going to use on my website. You need to also go and download that. Once you've done that, you obviously extract them both, and you log on to your server management console. I'm using FileZilla at the moment, and what you do is you open up on the server side, and you go into Sites here, and then you go to All. In there you should have, if you have any modules or themes, you should have two folders that you normally have. If you don't have any, you need to create the two that we need for this tutorial. We need the modules folder and we need the libraries folder. In those two folders, you need to firstly place in the modules folder, you need to place in the WYSYWIG folder. So go ahead and do that. I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again. And in the libraries, you need to place the nicEdit folder. And once you've done that, you log on to your site. And once you're on your site, you need to go on to the Drupal module section. Once you're on the module section, you need to enable the WYSIWYG section module. Once you've done that, click Save Configuration. And then you go on to, once you've done that, obviously, you go on to Site Configuration and select WYSYWYG again. There you should have an option where it says no editor or an editor, and you select the editor on what input format you need, and you can once you've done that, you can click Edit. And what this will do is it will allow you to actually do some basic stuff with your editors and so on. So I've obviously not bothered about it much. I've just had it so that people can bold, underline, and so on. I've done that, and once you've done that, you click the save button, and you're off. You're ready to go. So when you click on one of these, when you add content, you can add all these important things, and so I can write hello, and it will not be, and it can be edited in various different forms. So I can make it bright green, and I can preview it or save it. Obviously, I need some of these details, but that can be rectified later on. Thanks for watching, and this tutorial was from FizWix.co.uk, local business directory.